stocks to pull back on risk aversion. The Australian stock markets is set to slide on the open amid global uncertainty about the future direction of the US and UK economies. At 0700 on Tuesday, the local SPI 200 futures contract was down 8 points at 5,695 points. Westpac senior market strategist Imre Speizer said, while U.S. markets were closed for the public holiday overnight, risk aversion dominated European and Asian markets. He said trade was light with global investors concerned about continuing uncertainty about U.S. President-elect Donald Trump's economic policies in the Brexit process, which UK Prime Minister Theresa May is due to outline on Tuesday night. Not at a degree of risk aversion increased in relatively light European trading, given the U.S. Martin Luther King holiday, saw stocks either side of 1% lower in further reactions to weekend comments from Trump and UK's Hammond and May, and the responses from China and EU, Mr. Speizer said in a note. Data releases were extremely light, and IMF growth updates, which were generally positive, garnered little reaction. The main local risk event on Tuesday will be the release of official housing finance figures, including home loans and investment loans, for November. The Australian share market closed stronger on Monday, boosted by mining heavyweights, but afternoon trading was flat as investors await the inauguration of US President-elect Donald Trump, British Prime Minister Theresa May's speech on Britain's post-European Union future and Chinese GDP figures. The benchmark S&P ASX 200 was up 27.3 points, or 0.48%, at 5,748.4 points, while the broader All Ordinaries Index was up 26.2 points, or 0.45%, at 5,803.0 points. Meanwhile, the Australian dollar is flat as risk aversion offset the impact of reports that Chinese bulk prices are rising. Currency snapshot at 0700 at 1 Australian dollar buys 74.77 US cents, unchanged from Monday. 85.35 Japanese yen, from 85.25 yen. 70.52 euro cents, from 70.39 euro cents. 62.09 British pence, from 62.16 pence. 105.25 New Zealand cents, from 105.39 New Zealand cents. Currency closes taken at 1700 at previous local session.